Few years ago, one of the co-founder was sitting by his window waiting for a call. As he waited, he saw a truck pull up outside his apartment complex. A hauler had come to collect the building's waste. He watched the hauler pick up the dumpster, even though it was mostly empty. And he realized there had to be a better, more efficient way to coordinate waste removal. He called a friend to tell him what he had seen. They talked about waste, about technology, smart sensors, efficiency, routing, and even did some dumpster dives. After a lot of late nights in the basement and a few yards of solder, they had built their first sensor, put it into a dumpster, and Enevo was born. Enevo began in Finland by providing waste data from dumpster sensors using its proprietary analytics software. Enevo now provides full management of waste and recycling services for restaurant, retail, and commercial property customers. How it works? Meet Ben and his team. They take care waste management in the city. A big part of their job is planning collection routes where certain containers are collected on specific days. Now Ben's collection area is growing. He wants to use the current fleet more efficiently but avoid overflowing containers. When planning the collection routes, Ben has to take into consideration of wide range of factors such as truck availability, road restrictions, and more. As his collection area grows, planning becomes increasingly complex. To ease his burden, Ben starts a project with Enevo, a complete logistics solution that helps waste and recycling companies resource operate more efficiently. The smart level sensors tell Ben when the containers are getting filled. Enevo also includes a smart plan, which is the automatic planning system that replaces time-consuming route planning. Now while Ben is sleeping, Enevo's cloud-based computing does the planning faster and more efficiently. Enevo's smart plans uses data from the field-level sensors to forecast when the containers will be filled and factors constraints and cost associated with collecting waste. Finally, it calculates millions of different collection plans in order to select the most efficient alternative for the next 30 days. Now Ben has a clear and transparent overview of the day-to-day collection operation. His drivers are operating extremely cost-efficient collection routes, saving him up to 50% in cost and stopped overflowing containers and customer complaints.